The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs that filter waste products, excess water, and poisons from your blood. They also support blood pressure regulation, electrolyte balance, and hormone production. Even though your kidneys are vital to your overall health, they can occasionally become damaged by a number of illnesses, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, infections, kidney stones, and medications. It is therefore essential to preserve the health and function of your kidneys before it is too late. One way to do it is by eating foods that can naturally assist in kidney cleansing. These nutrients can help avoid kidney stones, lower inflammation, and protect against oxidative stress, which can cause kidney problems. As a result, in this video, we'll be sharing 9 of these foods that can help with kidney cleansing and detoxification naturally. You won't believe the difference these foods can make in your kidney health when you incorporate them into your daily diet. Now let's get going. 1. Lemon. Lemons are one citrus fruit that can prevent kidney stones. Lemons contain citric acid, which can bind with calcium in the urine to stop the growth of calcium stones, the most common type of kidney stone. Vitamin C, which is also found in lemons, fortifies and guards against infections in the body. Research indicates that taking 2 liters of water and 4 ounces of lemon juice every day, a practice commonly referred to as lemonade therapy, effectively reduces the likelihood of calcium oxalate stone recurrence. You can squeeze some lemon juice into a glass of water or add a slice of lemon to your tea. 2. Grapes. Grapes are not only delicious and hydrating, but they also have amazing kidney benefits. Plant material called resveratrol can be found in grapes, grape seeds, and grape skins. Resveratrol has anti-inflammatory and antifibrotic qualities that may help prevent or minimize kidney damage caused by inflammation and scarring. According to a study published in Applied Physiology, Nutrition, and Metabolism, resveratrol can even reverse renal damage caused by a high-fat diet in obese rats by increasing copper levels in the kidney. Grapes also contain citric acid, a naturally occurring acid that prevents kidney stones from developing. Blood pressure is one of the main causes of kidney failure. Thus, lowering it with the aid of grapes is an additional advantage to your kidneys. Their plant-based polyphenols dilate blood arteries and enhance blood flow. 3. Cranberries. Cranberries have well-known benefits for the urinary tract, but they can also be good for the kidneys. Cranberries contain a chemical called quine, which the body converts to hippuric acid. Hippuric acid helps the kidneys eliminate excess uric acid, which helps prevent kidney stones. Cranberries also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which means they can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 things that are bad for the kidneys. Additionally, cranberries can help prevent urinary tract infections, which can exacerbate chronic kidney disease patients' symptoms and are common in this population. To obtain these advantages, you can eat fresh or dried cranberries or drink unsweetened cranberry juice. 4. Apple. Apples are among the healthiest fruits for your kidneys' health. Because they are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, they protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, inflammation, and infection. Apples include soluble fiber called pectin, which lowers cholesterol and blood sugar, 2 factors that raise the risk of kidney disease. Pectin also attaches to toxins in your digestive tract, preventing them from reaching your kidneys. Apple's high water content and low sodium content help your kidneys eliminate excess fluid and salt, which reduces the amount of work they have to do. A 2011 study that was published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry suggests that eating apples may help shield women against kidney illness that is chronic. 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are another berry that is beneficial to your kidneys. Their profusion of anthocyanins, a class of antioxidants, is responsible for their blue hue and resilience to oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can harm renal tissues and cells, leading to chronic kidney disease. Furthermore, blueberries offer anti-inflammatory and blood pressure-lowering qualities that are beneficial to renal function. A study found that eating blueberries was associated with significantly lower urine albumin levels, a sign of kidney damage. 6. Seaweed. Seaweed is a type of algae that grows in the water and is highly healthy. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and polysaccharide properties that help protect the kidneys from the damaging effects of diabetes. It also contains a lot of iodine, which is essential for metabolism and thyroid function. Giving seaweed to rats for 22 days significantly reduced the harm that diabetes did to their kidneys and liver, according to a 2014 study. Alginates are compounds that are present in seaweed that have the capacity to bind with heavy metals and poisons and facilitate their removal from the body. You can consume seaweed as a snack, add it to soups and salads, or use it to make sushi. 7. Cabbage. One cruciferous vegetable that can help your kidneys is cabbage. Red cabbage gets its reddish-purple color from plant pigments called anthocyanins, which are abundant in it. Strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics of anthocyanins shield against cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Anthocyanin-rich diets lower the risk of chronic kidney disease by 29%, according to one study. Additionally, cabbage has a lot of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts immunity and lessens the harm that free radicals do to cells. Moreover, vitamin C increases the synthesis of glutathione, a natural detoxifier that aids in the kidney's removal of pollutants. Cabbage can be cooked and eaten raw in stir-fries, soups, and coleslaws. 8. Garlic. Garlic is one spice that can enhance food flavor and kidney health. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound that is released when it is cut or crushed. Allicin's antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties help protect your kidneys from disease and damage. According to a study, allicin may aid in the treatment of serious kidney conditions such as chronic renal disease. Allicin reduced blood levels of kidney-filtered compounds like urea, nitrogen, and creatinine. It also increased the levels of glutathione and superoxide dismutase, two antioxidants that protect the kidneys from oxidative injury. To reap these benefits, you can eat raw garlic cloves on an empty stomach or add chopped or crushed garlic to salads, sauces, and other dishes. Some of the allicin's action and content may be diminished by cooking. Taking supplements containing standardized doses of allicin or its compounds is an additional choice. 9. Watermelon. Watermelon is a delightful fruit that may assist your body and kidneys in staying hydrated. Its high water content, around 92%, stimulates the production of urine and helps your kidneys eliminate waste. Another component of watermelon that keeps your body's sodium levels in check and prevents salt retention is potassium. Retention of salt can exacerbate renal strain and cause edema. Watermelon also has lycopene, a strong antioxidant that prevents kidney cancer. Watermelon can be consumed as a snack or used to make cool drinks like smoothies or juices. And that's it. Thus, kidney cleansing and detoxification can be aided naturally by consuming these 9 meals. By incorporating them into your diet, you can support kidney function and prevent a variety of diseases and problems associated with the kidneys. However, remember that these foods cannot replace medical attention. If you have renal issues, see your doctor prior to making any dietary modifications. We would want to talk to you now. Which of these foods are mainstays in your diet? Do you have any other foods you would like to recommend to us? Share your ideas and experiences in the space provided for comments below. We love taking in their music. Thank you for observing.